how to buy REMUS token. So before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. Now, before going on by this token, make sure to go and engage with their community next. As you can see, they have 596 members there. So this token is available on the screener. It created 11 hours ago and increased by 24,000% in the last 24 hours. And this token trending #1 right now in the Solana section. Now I will show you how to buy this token. Now click here to copy the token address and open your funds wallet. For that, as you can see, first of all, I will just log into my wallet. And now after that, click here on swap and make sure that you have enough Solana on your wallet. Now click here and paste token address in the search bar. As you can see, this is how to click on it. Now click on I understand. Now here you can type how much you want to buy. So here you will be able to see how much you receive of that token. Now select the provider by clicking on pricing. Click on provider. Select Jupiter, for example. Click on apply. And now go back and make sure to click here on swap, and after that you will be able to redirect to the Jupiter provider page to be able to buy this token. So this is how to buy a REMUS token. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.